Live with your blood clot, you forgot set me in a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
Rondo, you want blood clot, cause I don't even bumper clot rate you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
But bumper clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in a bumper clot. Hey yo, don't touch
what's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him, but some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time and put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
But someone
And
did.
my fault, you know, Rasta. And my blood
Well,
clot.
not
Hey,
just-
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Nico, go do this first job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me, Ada.
See you later.
Gussie Power Radio, that's what I call it, because I got the liberty to say what I want to say and play what I want to play. Hour by hour, Gussie Power, oh, what a flower. You know, they target radio stations these days towards certain demographics. You've got like your dumb surfer boy music, and you've got your like rich kid punk music. I'm toothless, I'm not really a threat. I'm gonna get my dad's money later when I put my collar down. And then you've got your like, it's a well, it's all shit. It's all fucking shit. And there's stupid jingles in between it that are supposed to make young people laugh and old people feel wanted. I don't know what the shit is on this station, but here's what Liberty Rock Radio is all about. I play what I feel like playing, because rock is being left behind, so that people can paint their teeth gold and make video where their little friends always get into clubs and crawl out of blinged out SUVs in slow-mo. Somebody shoot them all and my TV.
I see you on the other side, pendejo.
That's a unit from Fishmark North.
We got you surrounded, asshole. We have you trapped.
Mira, it's the roof. I got a shot.
Push me! Push me! Don't make me kick your ass!
No te preocupes.
I will show you what's going on! I got you in my sights. If you don't want to get shot, hit the floor! Time up! Don't fuck with me! No guts, no glory!
Dispatch air unit from
I have a
East
man
Coast.
in my sights!
Suspect left on foot. Dispatch 3 units from Fishmark North.
Alright, brother. You'll always be in the lost.
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat me have to speak to.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go. You should not have fucked with me!
Dispatch air unit from Resident City.
Ease back, guys! Ease back!
Southern Colony Island.
Charge! Everyone, fall back! This is it! Get down! Officer, I need a backup here! Alright, split up! We'll get him! I'll unlock this house! Damn it! I'll rip your fucking car! We got better be soon! Hang on! Dispatch! First me! Get out fast! You're about to... Yeah! Yeah! LCPD!
I lost the heat. Where are you?
Cheers, pint. I'm with some buckers and no I. Get here now, Nico. This be some strange shit.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Nico, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Nico. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Nico.
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
Well, my employers need the help of a guy like Nico. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please.
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth so she now get her cocaine, you know.